हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. Advancing thus, far many reasons to demonstrate the various forms of loss that would accrue from non-participation in the battle. Lord Krishna now proceeds to show the advantages that would follow from participation in the battle, both from the point of view of this world and of the next, and commands Arjuna to prepare himself for the fight. If killed, you will win heaven. If victorious, you will enjoy sovereignty of the earth. Therefore stand up, Arjuna, determined to fight. Hataha, slain in battle. Va, either. Prapsyasi, prap is to attain. You will attain. Swargam, heaven. Jitva, victorious. Va or bhokshyase, you will enjoy. Mahim, sovereignty of the earth. Mahi is earth. Tasmat, therefore, Uttishta, stand up, Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, Arjuna, Yuddhaya, for the fight, Krita Nishchayaha, determined. Hataha va prapsyasi swargam. That hataha visargam becomes O. So, hato va prapsyasi swargam, jitva va bhokshyase bha mahaprana mahim. Tasmat uttishta kaunteya becomes that it becomes id in sandhi. So tasmad uttishta tha mahaprana kaunteya yuddhaya dha mahaprana krita nishchayah.